Faced with unprecedented climate change and biodiversity loss, conservation campaigns must increase public engagement. People are generally aware of conservation challenges, but are unsure how to make differences day to day. Researchers teamed up with Toronto Zoo to see what engagement approaches may promote long-term change. Zoos provide opportunities for informal, self-directed learning. This has proven effective in bringing about long-term behavior change when focused on charismatic megafauna, but it has been less explored with respect to less charismatic species. Visitors at Toronto Zoo were presented with 4 talks so researchers could compare the effectiveness of a species versus biodiversity focus and a more charismatic versus less charismatic species. The objective was that the audience would gain knowledge during the talk and be able to identify specific conservation actions they can take. The first talk focused on Blanding's turtles, an endangered species native to Ontario. The second talk centered around wetland biodiversity. The third talk regarded orangutans, and the final talk discussed rainforest biodiversity. All 4 talks used a 4-step dialogic approach. Step 1, build community with the audience through an effective hook. Step 2, share personal experiences with the audience. Step 3, explore and address the audience's experiences. Step 4, improve recall by synthesizing the topic and bringing closure on a positive note. Researchers found increased understanding and behavior change from all 4 talks, with no significant difference between them, suggesting the dialogic narrative approach used to present the ideas was extremely effective. Further research suggested that presenting these talks online yielded similarly promising results. By facilitating dialogue rather than presenting facts alone, learning experiences are more easily integrated into the context of daily life, increasing long-term pro-conservation behavior change.